Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make yummy flaky, emphasis on flaky Nigerian meat pie. I don't want to believe I'm the only one who enjoys flaky meat pie. You can see how the thing is. So if you are a lover of meat pie, you enjoy meat pies. It's not every time you go out there, you go to the eatery, and sometimes you just waste your money to buy what you will not enjoy. So it's good that you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be making it so easy for you to understand, so you can make it on your own and to your taste. I'll start by prepping the meat pie fillings. So these are the ingredients. Here I have some curry powder, salt, Scotch bonnet, and beef seasoning and thyme, corn flour, diced potatoes. The other ones there are my red bell pepper, carrots, onion, and the fresh ginger and garlic paste. So to this pan we'll add little vegetable oil. I just went in with my onions. I'll saute for like a minute. That's my ginger and garlic paste. So here is my ground beef. Stir fry this for, I don't know, I can't give a precise let's say cooking time. Just do this till it turns brown. So I'll go in with the spices. At this point we'll add our diced potatoes. These Irish potatoes actually, not sweet. So we'll add some water, little water, so that the Irish potato will cook a bit. Cover, allow it to cook for like 3 minutes. So at this point I'm going to be adding the corn flour slurry. Make sure everything is well combined. Guys, this filling tastes so good. So we are done with the filling. We allow it to cool down while we prep the dough. So for the dough I'm using 4 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going in with the butter. My butter is unsalted. If you're using salted butter or margarine, please, I don't think there is need for salt, or you can just add a pinch of salt. Here is the thing, the butter has to be very cold, likewise the water you'll be using for the mixing. When you add the butter, the next thing is to combine. You start mixing. You might need your 2 hands to do this, depending on the quantity of the dough you're making. You do this till it turns like it becomes crumbly. Next is to add a cup of cold water, and then mix everything, bring it together. but don't knead like where you're, I don't know, we are not making bread here. So for the meat pie to come out that crispy on the outside and moist on the inside, you know, you're not meant to knead for a long time. I'll be wrapping it with this, then allow it to rest in the fridge for like 30 minutes. So it's 30 minutes that it has been resting. I brought it out, then we'll go ahead to cut into smaller sizes. If your dough is much, I would advise you cut out a little portion that you'll be working with at the moment and put the remaining back in the fridge. When you are done with what you're doing, the one you are working on, you go back again and pick. So for the shaping, if you have meat pie cutter, it's fine, but if you don't have, just watch what I'm doing. I'm using a smaller lid that is pot cover. You can still use a medium sized bowl if you have. Whatever that can give you this shape is fine. I added the filling, about 2 spoons of the filling. Guys, this filling tastes so good. Just follow the steps as in how I did mine. Try yours and come back and testify. I'll close and then use my hand to close the opening. Next, I will use fork to put that beautiful design on it. I'll do the rest of camera. Guys, look at the remaining fillings. I'm going to store it in the fridge. This is still going to give me about 7 to 8 more meat pies. The oven is preheating. I set it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll go ahead to poke the meat pie with fork, then brush with egg. To do this, break 1 egg in a small bowl. Use your cooking brush and brush the surface of the pies with the egg. And guys, this is our meat pie, crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. I tell you, if you try this, you'll be glued. I baked this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I love you.